Hello, everyone! Have you ever wondered how bees find all those beautiful flowers? And how do they tell their friends where the best ones are? Bees are amazing little insects that fly from flower to flower, collecting sweet nectar and pollen. This food helps them make delicious honey, which is their food and ours too. But how do they share their discoveries? They have a super secret language, and it's called the waggle dance. Imagine you find a super yummy snack. You'd want to tell your friends where to find it, right? Bees do something very similar. They live in big families called colonies, with thousands of bees living together in a hive. They all work as a team, and finding food is a very important job. Some bees are called foragers. They fly out to search for flowers that have sweet nectar and pollen. When a forager finds a great spot, she needs to share this exciting news. She flies back to the hive, which can be a bit crowded and dark inside. How can she explain where to go without pointing or drawing a map? This is where her special dance comes in. The waggle dance is like a secret code. It's a way for bees to talk to each other and tell them exactly where to find food. It's one of the most amazing things bees do. Only worker bees perform this dance. When a bee finds a good source of nectar, she returns to the hive and starts her performance. Other bees gather around her, watching her every move very carefully. They are learning important directions. The dance has two main parts, a straight run and then a loop. She repeats this pattern many times, like a figure-8 shape. But it's not just any dance. Every part of it means something special. The most important part of the waggle dance is how it tells other bees which way to fly. Bees use the sun as their compass, even when they are inside the dark hive. When a bee does her straight waggle run, the angle of that run tells the other bees the direction. Imagine the top of the hive is where the sun is. If the bee dances straight up, it means fly directly towards the sun. If she dances straight down, it means fly directly away from the sun. If she dances at an angle, say to the left, it means fly that many degrees to the left of the sun. It's like a tiny living compass. Not only does the waggle dance tell bees which way to go, but it also tells them how far away the food is. This is where the waggle part of the dance is very important. During the straight run, the bee wiggles her body from side to side very quickly. This is the waggle. The longer she wiggles, the farther away the food source is. A short waggle might mean the flowers are close by, maybe just a few hundred feet. A long waggle means the flowers are much farther away, perhaps a mile or more. It's like she's saying, "Keep flying for this long and you'll find it." The waggle dance also tells the other bees how good the food source is. If the bee found a super amazing patch of flowers with lots of sweet nectar, she will dance with more energy and enthusiasm. She might repeat her dance many more times. This tells the other bees, "This place is fantastic. You really need to go there." If the food source isn't very good, she might do a shorter, less energetic dance, or even no dance at all. This helps the hive decide where to send their workers for the best results. It's all about efficiency and getting the most food for the colony. The waggle dance is incredibly important for the survival of the bee colony. It allows bees to work together as a team to find and collect food efficiently. Without this amazing communication, bees would have a much harder time finding enough nectar and pollen to make honey and feed their hive. It helps them quickly gather food, especially when a new patch of flowers blooms. This teamwork ensures that the colony has enough food to grow, make honey, and survive through different seasons. It's a perfect example of how animals can communicate in truly remarkable ways. So, the next time you see a bee buzzing around, remember her incredible secret language. She might be on her way to perform a waggle dance, sharing vital information with her sisters. Bees are not just busy, they are brilliant communicators. Their waggle dance helps them thrive and helps our world by pollinating plants. Isn't that amazing?